Okay, you might as well make a plug for your store. You say you're the only shoe repair on Maui?
That is correct.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a 30-year-old business when I bought it.
Uh-huh.
And my shoe store is called If the Shoe Fits, and I'm in Wailuku, Maui. And so it's my shoe repair, and I love it because I get a lot of people who are maybe attorneys, or it's the Capitol, so you have the state building, the federal building, and things. So
Right.
I get a lot of people dressing on Maui, believe it or not.
Yeah.
So things like nice dress shoes that are always repairable, and it keeps my doors open.
Right.
It's an interesting business. I learn a lot.
So you not only repair shoes, you design and make your own
Right.
shoes, as I
Yes.
understand.
So one of the perks of the repair is it teaches me to be a better designer. I
Uh-huh.
learn what materials are good, what's easy to repair, what is non-repairable, in case they're your favorites, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's quite interesting. Keeps me
Yeah.
busy.
You know what? I'm getting some sort of glare from your light up there, and it's streaking right through the middle of your face.
Ah, man.
You know, we're gonna have to do
I
something
think
about
we should
that.
fix that.
You might have to put that on your list
I'm putting it on the
of
list
things
down
to
there
do,
right now.
because that's not going to be very good when you make your own videos.
No.
You remember? Because
Exactly.
you're gonna do certain things in this room, aren't you?
Yes, and that's what you're here for, right, Joe? Is to help me develop my YouTube channel so I have good staging, right?
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Joe.
Oh, brother.
You're saving me. You're awesome.
You're supposed to be making me a list, and I haven't really seen it just yet. You know, but not only do you design shoes, you sell shoes.
That's right.
And let me show you some of the shoes that she sells. You know, so she's a regular shoe store. Not only does she sell the shoes, she designs shoes, she repairs shoes.
And Joe, this is my one, my brand, Hot Biscuit.
Oh yeah, yeah, show me that.
Yeah.
Where are you? There
So
you
this is Hot Biscuit,
Uh-huh.
and this is my best seller. They were made for women with big feet. I'll just put on a pair here for you.
Okay.
I'm wearing my second favorite pair, this
Yeah.
little gold one here.
And I was making a comment earlier, OSHA approved sandals.
Rhinestone sandals for the workshop. But see, it lets the foot spread, and so I have a band.
Here, put it back on, sorry.
Okay, let me do this one.
Okay.
So I have a band. Okay, so here we go. See, I have wide feet, and my feet just slip in there. You can wear them in the ocean. You can hose them, scrub them.
Yeah.
They're super comfortable.
Yeah,
So-
they look comfy.
Yeah, they're made with orthopedic crepe. That's what they make custom footwear from. So,
Uh-huh.
yeah, so
And
there
you
we
call
go.
them the Hot Biscuit.
The Hot Biscuit.
Now, do they come in different colors too?
They do. I have the black and I have the brown. Those usually sell the best. And right now I'm working, I'll take you to this table over here, Joe.
Uh-huh.
You follow me. Here's another one with a little heel.
Oh, sweet.
Ladies like the bigger heel.
Very nice, very
Yeah.
nice.
And now over here, I'm in the middle of making a batch. So
Oh,
this is
cool.
what they come in little, put the pieces and then I'll assemble them all. And then I do custom fitting so that the shoe actually fits the client perfectly.
So you make these by hand
Uh-huh.
on your own, right
Yeah,
here
yeah.
at your shoe store.
Yes, and I'm working on adding some fun colors, like this section over here I'll take you to. I thought that'd be fun to do something with some of these colors, with
Oh.
some matching rhinestones, and maybe I could do this beautiful blue. I have a nice, the Hawaiians like the blues,
Uh-huh.
so I can't wait to do that.
What,
That's
did you
gonna be
make
fun.
like your straps with the blue
Yeah.
and the orange and
Yep.
stuff?
And then I bought matching rhinestones, so
That
it's
would
gonna
be
fun.
nice. That would be nice.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see those.
Thanks for showing them.
Hey, my question is, what if somebody doesn't have oversized feet? Can you design the Hot Biscuits to fit them too, or not?
Absolutely. Each one is custom. That's why
Okay.
I don't sell them online. A client needs to come in for a fitting.
Okay.
But they get special treatment, you know,
Right.
and it's custom for them.
And how much, may I ask, do these shoes cost?
$150.
One pair of Hot Biscuits?
Yeah. And I tell
Wow.
the client, you know, it's your go-to shoe. So
Uh-huh.
it's the shoe that you can wear to work, you can wear it to the beach, you can wear it to both. Then if you get the soles repaired, they'll last you year after year. I've had ladies buy the Hot Biscuit.
Yeah.
It's about 3 inches, and I've had them wear them down to the pavement.
The tall Hot Biscuits, you didn't show me one of those.
Okay, I'll show you the tall one.
Hey, so are you saying for $150, are you gonna like repair this shoe and warranty this shoe for life or what?
Oh, no, no, no.
No.
No, I mean, good footwear is going to cost you over $100 if you really get something, but it has arch supports. You know, it's made to be comfortable. You can wear it all the time.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So see, here's the tall one.
Oh, wow.
I'm wearing it in the picture here. It's just, see, I'm wearing it in the rain. It doesn't damage the shoe. I do it, you know, your natural warranty, which is, you know, if you wear it and in 60 days it comes unglued, for sure, come in. I have an open door policy.
Yeah.
But
So
just
lots
be
of
careful.
people, that's kind of surprising. I didn't know a sandal would cost that much, but it makes sense if it fits and if it's comfortable and it's the right one and it's exactly for your feet, it's going to be well worth it.
That's right. And you know, most of the foot problems that I see come through here, because I get diabetics and people with real problems with their feet, is that they wear shoes that don't let their toes spread and they don't wear arch supports. So that's what comes with bunions, neuropathy. You know, you've got a foot that's really tender on the bottom, or bone spurs. So what doctors use is orthopedic crepe, which is what these are composed of. Orthopedic crepe with an arch support in them, you know, and great wear. You can tromp around everywhere in them.
Yeah. Wow. You know what? I think you know your shoes.
Thanks, Joe.
All right. Get back to work, will you?
One of my friends in Florida said, waving to you guys from all the way over here. How you doing there?
Good. Hey, when you said I was going to be helping you today with doing a few things around here, I thought it was going to be something like washing windows, cleaning, not pulling heels off of shoes.
You mean not covering for me while I go to lunch?
Yeah. Oh no, is that on the list too? You better bring me back something.